Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro with your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now we need to enter prank mode, so open the charging case, and if your earbuds have no connection with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically and we will see it at the device list like what I have right now. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light inside the case, not outside, because this is a battery level LED light, and right here inside we also have two LED lights. So until these LED lights start blinking like what I have right now. And you will also enter to pairing mode and you will see it at the device list. Then tap on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!